Creating your first website is an exciting journey into the world of web development. Imagine transforming a blank digital canvas into a vibrant, interactive platform that can engage users from around the world. This process, though seemingly complex, can be broken down into manageable steps that anyone can follow. The first step in building your website is planning. Begin by outlining the purpose of your website and identifying your target audience. This initial blueprint sets the foundation for all your further work. Think of your website's structure, sketching out different pages like home, about, services, and contact. Plan the layout to ensure a user-friendly navigation system, which will be critical for providing a seamless user experience. Next, choose a domain name that reflects the essence of your website. The domain name is the address that users will type into their browsers to visit your site. Make it catchy and memorable. Once you've selected your domain name, you'll need to register it through a domain registrar and choose a reliable web hosting service to store your website's data and make it accessible on the internet. With your planning complete and your domain registered, it's time to start designing your website. Select a website builder or a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, which offers a range of themes and templates to streamline your design process. Customize your selected template to match your brand's style and aesthetics. Pay attention to color schemes, typography, and imagery, ensuring consistency across all pages. Now focus on creating compelling content. Your content, whether it's text, images, or videos, should captivate and inform your audience. Write clear, engaging copy for each section of your site, and optimize it with relevant keywords for better search engine visibility. High-quality images and videos can help create a professional and polished look, enhancing the overall appeal of your site. The next step involves adding functionality to your website. Embed contact forms, integrate social media buttons, and ensure you have a responsive design that works well on all devices, from desktop to mobile. This process may require some basic coding skills, or you can utilize plugins and widgets provided by your website builder or CMS. Before launching your website, test it rigorously. Check for broken links, test the loading speeds, and ensure that all interactive elements work smoothly. Gather feedback from a select group of users to identify any usability issues. Once you're confident everything is in working order, it's time to go live. Publish your website and start promoting it through social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies. Finally, remember that building a website is an ongoing process. Regularly update your content, refresh your design, and monitor your website's performance through analytics. Continuous improvement and adaptation are key to maintaining an engaging and successful website. With dedication and creativity, your website can become a powerful tool for reaching your audience and achieving your goals.